Hey there. Want more purchasing power and a lower credit utilization ratio? Requesting a credit limit increase on your Bank of America credit card can help, and doing it strategically improves your chances. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to request it. Log into your Bank of America online account, navigate to your credit card account, and look for Account Services or Client Service. Find Request a Credit Line Increase and follow the prompts. You'll be asked about your annual income and monthly housing payment. Bank of America will typically do a soft credit pull, which doesn't hurt your score, to make a decision, often providing an answer within seconds. My crucial pro tip? Ask after demonstrating responsible use. Make sure you have a solid history of on-time payments with Bank of America and a low balance on the card you're asking about. Don't request an increase if you've recently applied for other credit or are carrying high debt elsewhere. That's the savvy way to grow your available credit. Have you successfully requested a credit limit increase before? What was your experience? Tell me below. For more guides on building credit wisely, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.